And it's a really interesting problem. It's called a reverse directional diagnosis, right? A reverse directional diagnosis. So you diagnose the problem, but you're looking at the wrong thing. You're focused on a symptom rather than the root cause, right? You're focused on a symptom rather than a root cause. And that was my problem. I was focused on doing better advertising instead of being better at sales. And as good as I am at sales, I'm still bad at sales, right? So, that's the way I look at it, or at least being a sales manager, being bad at being a sales manager. So when Rachel tells me, she says, Andrew, my biggest problem is time, right? And you keep worrying about time. Oh, I don't have the time, I don't have the time, I don't have the time. Is the time the real problem? Or is the real problem the quality of the revenue? Is the real problem the quality of the revenue?